Join us today as we head to Paultons
Park
as we go on a new dark ride, Ghostly
Manor.
However, we've got a few challenges today, and whoever loses the most challenges has to eat the Ghostly Ghost Pepper sauce. Very hot sauce. And also we're going to show you why this park is the UK's most underrated theme park.
The first challenge today is on the new dark ride, Ghostly Manor, and whoever wins the most points wins the challenge.
What? Why have I got none? I'm doing really good. I am shooting though. Yeah, I think. Oh no, mine's coming out. Oh look, I have to shoot it like this.
What the hell? Oh, yours is actually
And now I'm careful. I'm just shooting you.
Once again, you've truly saved the day. Take your scores to see how well each of you has done. As you make your way, please follow the instructions.
This is a unique ride experience. We love spooky themed attractions. However, some other parks in the UK have done good spooky attractions and some bad. However, Ghostly Manor is brilliant, and I think it could be the best dark ride in the UK. What do you think?
So I won the first challenge. Definitely won fairly.
Hey, my gun was firing blanks. Our friend's picking his nose.
Okay, that's enough spooky stuff now. Let's go to the west and catch some storms.
So, we're here in Tornado Springs, what could possibly be the UK's best themed land. Very similar to Radiator Springs and Cast Land. Hey look, we've got the real life one at home. For next challenges, I will show a drawing to Kiara on Storm Chaser. And she has to guess what the picture is while her head is spinning on this crazy Max spinning coaster. If she guesses correctly, she earns a point, but if she gets it wrong, I get the point. Does that kind of make sense? Does it? I don't know. Well, it's just for fun. Oh, wow. Tornado.
Smells good.
Yeah, it doesn't it? That's my drawing. Back to crash. So Kiara guessed it correctly, it was a bunny rabbit. So that is 1 point for Kiara. The next challenge is I've got to ride Cyclonator while Kiara is drawing a picture, and I got to guess what she has drawn while I'm on Cyclonator. That was loud. I have to guess what picture Kiara's drawn. I can't even see it. I'm a bit too far away. A burger. Burger. It is a burger. I got it right. So I guessed the picture correctly. It was a burger. So let's go and have a burger. So what makes this theme park stand out to others in the UK is the food. They offer top quality food and snacks. And I agree to this because they sell my favourite drink here. So today I sadly lost the most challenges, so that means I've got to eat the ghostly ghost pepper sauce. So here we go. Oh, that looks lovely. It's not too bad. I need some ice cream. Yeah. We need some ice cream. I don't know why I'm licking it, but I'm gonna lose.
Oh, that stinks.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and subscribe, like, what else do I just say? I can't really think, but it's a good ride. We need to get a drink. Let's go get ice cream and drink.
You're not doing too great, are you?
No. Yummy. The ice cream came to rescue, unlike the Ice Age, which definitely didn't save the dinosaurs. Time to explore their world. This coaster only runs one train because look how fast it heads into the station. It's a new ride. Yeah, this is where the expansion is, yeah.
It's going to be a new ride?
Yeah?
That's going to be a new ride?
No, it's going to be over here as well.
Oh, yeah.
Another reason why I think this park is the most underrated in the UK. Like I said earlier, the theming is top quality, and knowing that Paultons Park have just announced a brand new Viking themed land in 2026, and it looks pretty epic. They're adding a brand new flat ride that looks just like the World Swing at Fantasiana, Pendula, and it's also at some other little European theme parks. Wait, that's not all. They're also adding a brand new Eurofighter coaster. Yeah, you heard that right, a Eurofighter, like Speed, at the now closed Oakwood theme park. Time. Talking about death, RIP Magma, as it will be demolished for the expansion. So here is my first and last ride on Magma. And a sneak peek on the construction of the Viking Land.
And that's going to be the new ride.
Cobra, the Ghostly bobsled coaster, is also having a retheme and a new paint job. So let's go on this before it changes to green.
A mongoose?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm a mongoose.
Really?
Yeah. What am I now? Yeah. You got it. You won the most challenges. Okay, what? Eating a corn on the cob. Oh, are you?
Guess what I'm doing?
I don't know. What are you?
We are really looking forward to the new themed land, but if it was my choice, I would have picked a single rail coaster, like at Wallaby Roan Out's Mahaka. Then Paultons Park would have the UK's first single rail coaster. What roller coaster would you have picked?
Now let's check out some animals that they've got here at the park.
Hey yo.
Work out.
Nicely done.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5.
Oh, we might have to censor that. Winner! Oh my god. I can't believe they got my pet turtle.
You actually got whiskers. What's all that about?
This park not only has great family coasters, it also has some beautiful gardens.
Paultons Park began as a part of the 18th century Paultons estate, which featured a country house and landscape gardens. It opened as a theme park in 1983, starting as a small country park with animals and gardens. One other reason why I think this park is underrated compared to others is that it's never overcrowded, and we're here on a Sunday half term and it is quiet and there are no queues at all, doing better than their competitors. Merlin. This park is not the one to miss. It's a great park and it's got a great future ahead. So thanks for watching and hopefully see you soon. So subscribe and we will be returning to this park next year for the new Viking Land.